Good morning all. It's Friday the 17th of January. Another nice day here in Paradise, North Cork. And yeah, nice peaceful start to the day. I've already had my early morning pipe as per my tradition. Part of my routine, I guess, to start off the day. And today I had a delivery. This came from Miss Moran's this morning via Fastway Couriers, and I think we'll have a bit of an unboxing, shall we, and see what we have. This one is a particular special order for me because I've bought tobaccos that I have never bought before. 5 different tobaccos. I know. I don't buy things massively in bulk. Five different tobaccos would be an average. You know, I wouldn't really go much more beyond that, just simply because funds. It's expensive. I'm not a wealthy man. Happy and content just to have the opportunity to be able to pick up the odd new tobacco every now and then. I tend to just buy my regulars, and every now and then I'll dip in and try a new one. Just to build up a bit of a collection, just to expand my palette, but not always successful. So I must actually get a few of the ones that I don't like particularly, and share them with people, send them out to people as tasters, I guess, if anyone is interested. So if you are interested in anything particular that I may have, which you have no idea what I have, so we'll have to go through a video and show you what I have. And we'll take it from there, see if there's any interest. Anyway, let's get this package open, shall we? Let me find my letter opener here, my trusty letter opener. This is a bit of an antique. Just check. Sometimes they'll say, oh, that was out of stock and we refunded you, but no. Ooh, they've given me the lot. That's awesome. Very good. Oh, my goodness, that's the aroma coming from this box is unbelievable. And why, may you ask, is it so strong? Well, quite a simple reason. The blends that I bought this time were all from Sutliff. So they're all aromatics. Oh my lord, they smelled absolutely divine. You always pack them in wonderfully. The old-fashioned newspaper packaging. And they've all come in bags here. Oh, they smell nice. Now it's in a big box because it's not just tobacco. I bought a big box of Peterson pipe cleaners. You cannot have enough pipe cleaners. And I also decided to try these new filters that I've never even heard of, but they're less than half the cost of a Peterson filter. They're called Blitz System. Made in Germany. Quick look at those. Oh, holy lord, look at all those. That should last me a little while. Right, to the main event. So I put them in a Ziploc bag. They're very good at Miss Moran's. Very good. So here's the first one. So they put them in these tobacco pouches. They're obviously selling them from bulk tins and selling them in quantities. So these are all 50 grams, I believe. Yeah, 50 grams. So the first one here Barbados Plantation. Oh, it smells so good it feels like I should eat it. Well, let's see if I can open this now without actually spoiling the bag, because I do need to keep the bag. There's not an awful lot. Oh my lord, it's very dark. You see that there? Barbados Plantation. Whew, that is absolutely amazing. I totally get why you guys absolutely adore Sutliffs. That is special. No, obviously I haven't smoked it yet, but wow. Doesn't lose all these pieces here. It's very moist. Very moist. Really good. So let me just find out exactly what I have here, because there's no point in me saying, yes, this is Sutliff Plantation or Barbados Plantation. I have no idea what Barbados Plantation is. So let me have a look. Barbados Plantation. So bear with me now, I'm just checking out on the screen here. Ready rub blend of premium Virginia, Burley and Black Cavendish. There's definitely plenty of Black Cavendish in there. With a rum casing. Yeah. Smell the rum alright. That is awesome. Okay. Let's tighten that one back up a little bit. I'm going to have to put these in jars, I think. Right, so that's that one. Where's the next one? If I can do this in some form of order. Alexander Bridge. Learn that one. Alexander Bridge. There we go. Try this one. That's nice. That's not as strong scented as Barbados Plantation. That one is nice colours there. Lovely and moist. So, Alexander Bridge is a blend of Virginia and Burley leaf with lightly added vanilla and rum. The rum is more overpowering than vanilla, but the taste may bring that vanilla out a little. I can definitely smell that. Yeah. Slightly sweet and spicy blend. Mild to medium in terms of strength and flavour and nicotine. Burns cool, clean and smooth with a very consistent flavour that leaves very little moisture in your pipe bowl. Very aromatic pipe, a very fine aromatic pipe tobacco. Yeah, that one doesn't look quite as moist, so that one will probably smoke really well straight away. Very nice. I can't wait to try these. I need to find a pipe that I'm going to put them in as well, because I don't want them to spoil my English blends. Okay, next one was Black Velvet. Okay, I think this one was very, very dark. Let's just see what this one looks like. Velvet. So it said, Black Velvet pipe tobacco is a blend of Black Cavendish with a rich cocoa chocolate topping. This blend is produced by Sutliff in the USA, part of their private stock blend. Branded dark and silky. Luxurious, mild, aromatic tobacco that has a taste and aroma of a freshly baked chocolate brownie. Mild to medium in strength of flavour and nicotine content with a divine room aroma. Burns cool, clean and smooth with a very consistent flavour and leaves little moisture in your pipe bowl. Okay, so I'm trying to get into this. Put a bigger piece of sellotape on this. Okay, here we go. Oh, I've never ever in my entire life seen a tobacco like that before. Holy moly. Let me show you this. How black is that? Oh, good lord. Do you actually smoke that or do you eat that? Wow. Whew. Cocoa and chocolate. Damn right it is. My word. That is just simply amazing. Oh. My good friend would not agree with this at all. He does not like aromatics one bit. I must get him to try these though. Alright, so that's the black velvet. So we had Alexander Bridge, Barbados Plantation, black velvet. What's next? Italian blend. Okay, let's have a look at Italian blend. So let's see what we've got. Nope. This isn't an easy one to open. Taking off sellotape from plastic isn't easy, is it? So the Italian blend pipe tobacco is a ready rubbed blend of premium Virginia, black Cavendish and burley tobacco leaf with a vanilla and caramel topping. Okay. This blend is produced by Sutliff, part of their private stock range, branded Panna Cotta. Okay, that's Italian. Star of the show are the vanilla and caramel toppings, which give a subtle vanilla custard taste and aroma. If you like aromatic tobacco blends, then this is a must try. Ah. I cannot describe the sense of this now. It is, wow, that is truly sensational. I just want to take a mouthful and eat it. I know I couldn't have tasted it, it'd be horrendous, but like, here we go. So this is the Italian blend, another dark one. Very moist. Yeah, this is a ribbon cut. See that? Good gosh. I just did not think tobacco could smell like that. Oh my word. It's just... that's out of this world. Whew. Right, the last one, Sutliff Mount Street. Let's see what we have here. Mount Street. I call it Mount Street. Ready rubbed Virginia burley tobacco leaf with a rum and maple topping. This is their private stock, branded Maple Street. Complex, slightly sweet blend with a wonderful taste and room aroma. Mild to medium, strength of nicotine, addition of some broken flake ensures that the blend burns cool. Sorry, I just have to take this now. Hello? Sorry about that, I'm back again. That was my son, he's out farming there now, and in the tractor, and he's asking me to go buy him 2 snack boxes, one for himself and one for his colleague, for his lunch, because they're in the middle of nowhere. I said I'll do that. He's going to send me a drop pin, but let's just open this final one, and then I'm going to have to cut this a little bit short, I think, because I have to go feed the troops. So once again, Mount Street. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, I do like that. Okay. So what's that now? What am I getting? I'm definitely getting maple and rum. Oh, that's lovely. Okay. To all you Sutliff fans, I can totally understand why you're totally, absolutely cheesed off with dropping all these blends, because these. Now, I haven't smoked any of these, so, but I know I'm going to enjoy these because there's quality there. I can actually feel and look and see the quality. Awesome. Yeah. A very sad day when they closed down that Sutliff brand. Really sad. Such a shame. Hopefully now some of the ones that they've kept will be as nice as these, to at least smell anyway. And yeah. Alright, so that's my unboxing from Miss Moran's 5 Sutliff blends, all of which are very strong aromatics. They all smell absolutely divine. Will they taste divine? I don't know, but I'm going to give them a try. And you know what? I'll try each one individually, and I'll record them and let you know what I think of them. Alright, I have to go. My day has been interrupted, but it's important. You've got to look after your family, haven't you? So, until the next time, do relax, enjoy your pipe, enjoy whatever tobacco that you enjoy. Just remember, life's for living, and do good. Thank you. See you later. Bye now.